How to buy Robux with your Apple gift card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. First of all, you need to redeem your Apple gift card into your Apple account, and here's how you can do it. Go ahead and open up your App Store in your mobile device and then simply tap on your profile icon. Inside here, you'll then be able to find an option that says redeem your gift card or code. Simply tap onto it and then tap on enter code manually. So you want to go ahead and simply type in your Apple gift card code and then tap on redeem right over here. After redeeming, the balance will be added to your Apple account. So once you have done that, head back to your home screen and then open up your Roblox application. Inside Roblox, go ahead and log into your account. And once you log into your account, you'll then be able to find a Roblox icon, tap onto it and then choose the amount of Roblox you would like to buy. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And as soon as you tap onto it, it will automatically open up your payment option. So it will show you your Apple Pay or your Apple Wallet. And that's it guys, you have successfully used your Apple gift card to buy Robux. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.